Hello gardeners, today I am going to share my secret how to grow Asiatic lily with you all. I have planted these plants in the month of December 2020. I had planted 5 different colors of Asiatic lilies such as red, yellow, orange, white and pink, among which I got the blooms of red, yellow and orange this year. Hopefully I will get the other blooms next year. Let us now talk about various aspects of Asiatic lilies. These are winter flowering perennial plants. If you are not sure what does perennial mean, I have created a detailed video for it. The link is in the description. Please make sure that you know what does the word perennial means if you want to learn gardening. These plants I have planted in the form of bulbs. I bought these bulbs online. You can also grow Asiatic lilies from the seeds. The best time to grow Asiatic lilies is in the winter. The sunlight requirement is partial shade to full sunlight. I do not get full sunlight in my balcony, so I grow them in the shade. The water requirement is very less from my practical example. I had given water only when the top inch soil was dry. The soil requirement for the plant is rich compost, well-drained soil. Frequency of watering the plant should be only when the top inch of the soil is dry. Please do not water daily or weekly. Just check your plant and then only water accordingly. The fertilizer which I use for my Asiatic lily is organic banana peel solid fertilizer. If you want to know how to make this fertilizer, please mail me. I'll create a video on it. I did not find any types of bugs or attack on my plant. Now I'm going to show you the blooms of my plants. Ta-da! Don't they look beautiful? And this is the red one. Trust me gardeners, it is very easy to grow Asiatic lilies and this flower lasts for at least 2 weeks. They make you smile, so please try growing them. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you. Bye bye.